What's going on, guys and girls? Christic here. Oh, look, Christic. So yeah, guys. So there wasn't a lot of response to the last video, but that doesn't mean I should stop, right? Because so many of you guys actually view it and actually like it and actually appreciate it. So yeah, guys. So any video that we live is for you guys. So don't fret about that. Right now, what we're going to do is go get the bike refueled because you guys can't see it's out of petrol again. Yeah, the bloody thing doesn't have mileage. It gives around 25 in the city and around 30. You can say 35 on the highway. Yeah, let's get her refueled and here we go. Oh yes, so I forgot to tell you why the vlog today, but yeah, today's vlog is all about a cycle that Kashinexi has purchased. So you guys are gonna probably see this in 3x speed from here. Yeah, so you guys will be seeing all of these in 3x, and I'll probably keep showing you this. And don't worry guys, I don't drive rash, I drive fast. There's a difference. I do not endanger anyone else, nor do I endanger myself. Going speed is, it's like that white thing you call it, right? Yeah. Well then, I'll see you guys when I get to Kishinexi's house. So guys, whenever you take a turn or a corner, don't brake. Because people will be coming at a pace. So what ends up happening is, we'll have to brake, and in the case of a two-wheeler especially, if you brake, it will skid. If it skids, you will fall. So don't brake and don't mess with the gears either. I'm not telling it's wrong to enjoy on the street, but don't be a hazard to yourself as well as others. That's what I'm saying. And guys, these things are the most important things on the vehicle, other than your wheel, your brakes, your headlight, your tail light and your indicator. Make sure that you have your mirrors, make sure you have a good horn, make sure your headlights work, make sure your tail light works, and make sure your indicators work. Always check your damn mirrors, it doesn't take anything, you just have to do this. You don't even have to move your head most of the time. make sure you keep the ride quality as smooth as possible to get more life out of your engine. I don't know how much of my voice gets into the video, but well, you gotta give it a try, don't you? Because for me, I'm screaming right now. And if in case you guys can't hear it, I'll just do a voiceover, it's fine. So guys, do not complain that that's a signal jump, because the green light was there for me to take a left. Okay, let's go. Jump that if it's clear. Yep, jumping. No. So that's what you call air time, buddies. Woo! Yeah, see, I wasn't a hazard to anyone, the road was clear. So yeah, if you love jumping your bike, do it. If you love going fast, do it. Make sure that you don't hurt yourself as well as others. That's it. If you think your bike can do it, you can do this as well. If you have that amount of confidence, but don't do it when you feel that you're gonna be a hassle to someone else. Oh yeah, and don't keep your phone in your ears and drive. That's not a bullshit. Never do that, man. Come on. Yeah, so what I'm thinking is I'll put the vlog part separate and I'll put the review part separate so that you don't cross fade. So that people who want to watch the vlog will watch the vlog, and people who want to watch the review will watch the review. So if you guys like that new system, give this video a thumbs up. So there is a gap there. But that guy, we don't know if he's going to go to the right or the left. Flash him once, doesn't go. Okay, that's because there are cycles in the left. Left again. That's what I call a launch. Right, so I'm gonna wait for Kiffy next week right now, and look at this stupid thing. I'll see you guys in a bit. So yeah guys, I've met with Kiffy next to right over there, the guy riding the cycle, and he got it yesterday if I'm not wrong, and we're gonna do a review on this. So for the review, check out the other video that we're gonna leave. For this one, as soon as we do the review, I'll get back to you guys. But watch the man go. Look at this. Look at this. Look, second gear, the third gear, and look at that. Look at that. That's called ghost throttle. And look at this guy. He's going at 22. And guys, I'll see you after the review. So yeah guys, I turned the camera on because beautiful location. And to those of you who are interested in a cycle review, you guys can wait for the next video, or you guys can watch the next video. Yeah. Other than that, the location is amazing. So yeah guys, the beauty about this bike is you don't even have to give the throttle. All you have to do is let the clutch go slowly and it will pick up speed as it is. It's in the second gear and it's capping up at 18. I put it in third, I just leave the clutch on, I just let it go a little bit, and look at that. She keeps going. This is a way that you save fuel as well, because the bike takes care of maintaining the speed by itself, and you can just enjoy the ride. Look at that. And if you have something like this, a big beast like this, who takes up a lot of fuel, then it's better if you guys go for something like a cycle in tandem with this, of course. Like, keep this for highway journeys, long distance ride, keep that for city riding, and you'll be set for life. And for those of you who haven't done it yet, like, share and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell button, so that you guys will get notified of each time we upload. And look, second gear keeps going. I switch to third, it travels. Don't do that. For God's sake, please don't do that. Make sure that you're on the left side. I don't know why he's going like that. He's being a bit of an... I can't say that. But still, don't do that. Don't go in the right. Look. You have to show that you're going right by showing you the hand like this. In our bikes, we have an indicator, but for them, you can get an indicator, you can mount it, you can get that. But if you don't, you have to do that. Okay, that means that you're stopping. But in actual, you have to do this, so that you'll know that you have to slow down, then you have to do this to stop. So yeah, why were you going on the right side of the road?
Right side of the road?
Yes.
Yeah. I didn't know, bro.
See, so guys, don't do that. What? Yeah, see? When you're going to the right, keep to the right, but extreme right, because you're on a cycle. Isn't that right? So where? Are we just stopping here? We're just stopping in the middle of the road. Okay. So, make sure you have your indicators on. Take it to the far extreme. Stop this time. Voila. So, yeah, that's it. Well, let me remove my helmet. So guys, you can see here my Dominar, I call her Athena, the Greek goddess of war, because she's a what we'll be doing is, this is a vlog. The review video will be up next, so you guys can watch that, or you can directly watch that and get back to us for the vlog. Yeah, so this is the cycle. So yeah guys, I'll be seeing you once the review is done. Bro, faster. Bye, bro. So So yeah guys, I'll leave the link of the cycle review down in the description below, and hope you guys like the whole vlog separate as well as the review separate. If you do, make sure you leave a like, make sure you share it if you want, if it's good, and make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the notifications of our future uploads. Other than that, I think you guys can enjoy the ride. I'll leave the camera on. So guys, this is actually a one way, but people keep coming. So guys, that's it for today's vlog. Take care. See you all next time. Peace out.